Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we are going to discuss next half of unit attitude. So, students, let's begin with the part C. Students, I hope that all of you have completed part B also. Now, students, let's begin with the part C. Read Krimali Josh's ordeal in life means unpleasant experience in life and how she saved the lives of others from the jaws of imminent death. Courage beyond understanding. Courage beyond understanding. Let's read it, students, like a summary. This chapter, Courage Beyond Understanding, is related to the earthquake of Gujarat, in which a brave girl, Krimali Joshi, showed her courage to save the people. At 17, जब वो 17 years की थी क्रिमाली जोशी बेटा, then she had completed her schooling in Bhuj sector on 26 Jan 2001. She was going to attend an interview for job और बेटा वो जॉब के लिए इंटरव्यू देने के लिए घर से बाहर ही जा रही थी. बट क्या हुआ अचानक? Suddenly she heard a massive explosion. Everything began crashing down. एकदम से क्या हुआ बेटा? बहुत भयंकर विस्फोट हुआ वहाँ पर. बहुत तेज आवाज़ उसको सुनाई देने लग गई और बहुत धमाके होने लग गई. ओके, एवरीथिंग बिगिन क्रैशिंग डाउन. हर चीज़ जो बेटा इधर से उधर गिरने स्टार्ट हो गई. सून इट वॉज ओवर एंड पीपल वर क्रैश्ड बिटवीन मासिव कॉन्क्रीट वॉल्स. और बेटा लोग इन चीज़ों में फंस गए थे. सब कुछ एक्चुअली वहाँ पर पूरी तरीके से ख़त्म हो गया था बेटा, क्रैश्ड हो गया था. Krimali and her family escaped serious injury but found difficulty to come out. उनको बहुत ज़्यादा इंजरी नहीं आई थी बट उनको बहुत मुश्किल हो रही थी बेटा वहाँ से बाहर निकलने में. But found difficulty to come out. Krimali decided to rescue her family first. Krimali ने डिसाइड किया कि सबसे पहले वो अपनी फैमिली को बचाती है, रेस्क्यू करती है. But when she heard a woman crying out from 2 stories above to save her baby, she told her to throw the baby down and pray to God. The students, जब वो अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स को बचाने ही जा रही थी तो उसने क्या सुना कि 2 stories मीन्स 2 मंजिला इमारत से 2 stories जो बिल्डिंग है उससे बेटा एक लेडी की जो है चिल्लाने की आवाज़ आ रही थी कि प्लीज़ मेरे बच्चे को सेव कर लीजिए. तो बेटा क्रीमारी ने क्या बोला? क्रीमारी ने उसको बोला कि आप जो है उस बेबी को नीचे फेंक दीजिए, एज यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. ओके, क्रीमारी ने बोला कि उस बेबी को आप नीचे फेंक दीजिए और उसने गॉड से प्रे करनी शुरू कर दी कि काश कि वो इस बच्चे को जो है, इस बेबी को जो है ढंग से कैच कर पाए, उसको बचा पाए. और उस लेडी ने क्या किया बेटा? उसको रैप करके, ठीक है, एक क्लॉथ में रैप करके वहाँ से उसको फेंक दिया नीचे. और क्या हुआ बेटा? क्रीमाली ने उसको कैच कर लिया और उसकी लाइफ को जो है बिल्कुल सेव कर दिया. द स्टूडेंट्स, द वुमेन रैप्ड द बेबी इन बेड शीट्स एंड टोस्ड हर डाउन. शी सेव द बेबी. क्रीमाली ने बेबी को सेव कर लिया था. शी हेल्प्ड द चाइल्ड्स मदर टू गेट डाउन थ्रू debris. Then she requested other men to come with her and help the others trapped in various apartments. बेटा जितने भी लोग क्रीमाली जोशी के आसपास खड़े थे उन सभी को क्रीमाली ने रिक्वेस्ट की कि वो उसकी हेल्प करे और जितने भी लोग जो है फंसे हुए हैं डिफरेंट अपार्टमेंट्स में, डिफरेंट बिल्डिंग्स में ट्रैप्ड हैं, फंस गए हैं, उनको वहाँ से किसी तरीके से बाहर निकालें. Soon she saved a lady and her 2-year-old daughter with the help of another person who lay buried under a slab, as you can see in the picture also, students. And beta, in the hours that followed, Krimali made countless rescue missions into the crumpled building. Crashes building में बेटा उसने बहुत सारे लोगों की जान बचाई. And each time in the shadow of the great slab. In all, observers credit her with helping to save at least 2 dozen men, women, and children. Still, students, 58 people died. फिर भी बेटा 58 people जो उसमें died हो गए थे. 58 people died in the collapse of the Mangalam apartments. Then बेटा 3 months later, 3 months के बाद, surrounded by her adoring family, जो उसके family उसकी बहुत प्रेज कर रही थी कि वो बहुत courageous है. 3 months later, surrounded by her adoring family who had witnessed her stunning courage, Krimali does not overplay what she did, but she merrily tosses. वो बहुत हैप्पी थी कि उसने इतने सारे लोगों की जान बचाई है. She merrily tosses it all off as something that was far beyond her understanding. I had never seen such things as I saw that day. उसने क्या बोला कि मैंने अपनी लाइफ में ऐसी चीज़ें पहले कभी नहीं देखी जो मैंने उस दिन देखी थी. I had never seen such things as I saw that day. And I had never done such things as I did. और जो काम मैंने किया है ब्रेवरी का, जो करेज मैंने शो किया है, वो ऐसा भी मैंने पहले कभी शो नहीं करा. I don't know वेयर माई कारेज केम फ्रॉम. मुझे नहीं पता कि मेरे में इतना कारेज कहाँ से आ गया, इतनी हिम्मत कहाँ से आ गई कि मैंने इतने लोगों को जो है सेव कर लिया. आई डोंट नो वेयर माई कारेज केम फ्रॉम. आई एम जस्ट ग्लैड. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, बट आई एम जस्ट ग्लैड आई वॉज देयर, कि मैं तब वहाँ पर थी. एंड आई डिड व्हाट आई डिड. Students, read part C once again yourself, and then students try to understand it. Now students, let's discuss a speech on the topic brave people. You can take ideas from unit attitude, and then students you can write it in your own words. Okay, for example students, how can we write it? Without your involvement, you cannot succeed. With your involvement, you cannot fail. First of all students, you can write on a catchy introduction. Okay, to draw attention of the audience. Then students, in the next line you can write down good morning, then respected principal, or you can write down honorable principal, teachers and my dear friends. बेटा first of all आपको in the very first line you can write down good morning word. Then students, in the next line respected principal, or students you can write down honorable principal. Okay, teachers and my dear friends, formal address to the audience. Okay, today I ABC would like to express my views on the topic brave people. Then students, announcement करनी है टॉपिक की, क्या टॉपिक है, किसके ऊपर आप स्पीच देने जा रहे हो, उसको बेटा आपको टॉपिक वट एवर द टॉपिक इज, उसको आपको बेटा इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स में रखना है, लाइक ब्रेव पीपल वी हैव रिटन हियर. ओके, एंड टुडे आई ABC. बेटा हमने यहाँ ABC क्यों राइट कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज बेटा हमें हेडिंग में कोई भी नेम गिवन नहीं है. अगर बेटा आपको नेम गिवन होता लाइक इमेजिन योर सेल्फ टू बी सीमा और इमेजिन योर सेल्फ टू बी राहुल, देन स्टूडेंट्स हम वही नेम राइट करेंगे. ओके, बट अगर स्टूडेंट्स हमें कोई भी नेम गिवन नहीं है, देन स्टूडेंट्स वी कैन राइट डाउन आई ABC. दैट्स व्हाई स्टूडेंट्स वी हैव रिटन हियर ABC. एंड बेटा इट्स द फॉर्मेट ऑफ स्पीच, तो ये कंपल्सरी है बेटा ये लाइन्स आपके लिए. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन दीज लाइन्स वाइल राइटिंग speech. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I ABC would like to express my views on the topic brave people. Over the years, there have been many brave people whose actions have changed history and whose courage has been a source of inspiration for millions, as their stories are related to words. Bravery क्या है? When you put yourself in danger to help or protect another. Mothers are brave when they give up sleep in order to comfort their child. Firemen are brave when they rush into a building to save someone trapped inside. We can take example of Grimali Joshi, who saved the lives of many people. Students, to be brave, one should have qualities like strong willpower, positive thinking, determination, confidence, etc. But if you talk to someone who has just performed a brave act and ask them why they leapt into danger, their response is often, I don't know. I just did it, like Rimali Joshi. Okay, I don't know. I just did it. So, one should be brave and think positive. We should not give up, students. Okay, always think positive. As it is rightly said, Sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. And students, in last, write down thanks. Okay, formal thanks to the audience. It's also compulsory while writing speech. Okay, let's move on to the part C4. On the basis of your understanding of the text, complete the following sentences. First one, Krimali left the house to appear for an interview for a sales girl's position. Okay, the next one, the only escape route was blocked by a huge concrete slab which hung at 45-degree angle. Part C states Krimali managed to reach the ground level by jumping. She saved the baby's life by making a clean catch. Next one, beta. Krimali used the portion of the large door to create a sliding board of sorts. Then, students, F part. She had to dig to save the buried woman because she was clutching her 2-year-old daughter. The next part, Krimali saved around 2 dozen men, women, and children. Like the students, try to complete part C4. Let's move on to the C5 part. Give 3 points each to justify the given statements. First one, the earthquake caused massive destruction. Here, students, we can write down like this. Everything began crashing down. The next one, when it was over, the floors of the 4-story building had crunched downwards, in some cases making massive concrete sandwiches that crushed the people caught inside. Next one, 4 to 5 meters below were uneven chunks of concrete, broken glasses, and smashed furniture, all edged with sharp spikes of iron rods. Then we talk part B. The concrete slab was a big obstacle. Here, students, we can write down first point. The monster slab could drop without a second's warning. Then we talk next one. They labored in the shadow of the slab to unearth the woman. Third point, students, we can write down. Krimali made countless rescue missions into the crumpled building and each time in the shadow of the great slab. Now, students, part C. Luck favored Krimali. She landed in a crouch and her feet missing any sharp edge. Second point, students, we can write down Krimali made a clean catch. The students' third one, with no shoes on her feet, her legs bare, she climbed up and down the debris till she was just beneath the swing concrete slab. Now, students, next one. Krimali led a successful rescue operation. Here, students, first point we can write down. Her fears had been lifted by what she had already accomplished. Next one, Krimali made countless rescue missions into crumpled buildings. Like the students, try to complete this C5 part. Okay, beta. Now, students, let's move on to the next part. The episode reveals a number of qualities of Krimali. Match the qualities as given in the help box with the evidence picked up from the text. Yes, here students, in help box some qualities are given to you. Now students, just you have to match it. Now students, let's see the evidence first of all. First one, beta. I prayed to God. Please see that I catch her. Means religious. Second one, students. People were screaming. I didn't know what to do. That's when she decided to act. Means decisive. Decision लेने वाली थी वो. Next beta, I'm just glad I was there and I did what I did. Means proud. जो भी उसने काम किया उसके ऊपर proud था. There was not any good place to jump, so I just jumped. Means brave. Next one, students. Trimali comforted them and walked them to safety. Kind. Next one, beta. By placing it on a rubble tilted upwards, she created a sliding board of sorts. Intelligent. She was very intelligent girl actually, beta. Next one, beta. Encouraged by her good fortune, she knew it was up to her to persuade others to follow. Persuasive. Like this, students, try to complete this part. Okay, students. Now, beta, let's move on to the next part. The story presents many contradictory emotions, qualities, and situations. Now, beta, fill in the blanks with the antonyms of the words given below. First one, students, hope. You can write down opposite of it, despair. Then cruel. You can write down kind. Then sorrow. You can write down joy or happiness. Then students, for destruction, you can write down opposite construction. Then students, you can write down humble. Then you can write down the opposite of humble, it proud. The students, injured. Opposite of it is safe. Now students, death. And what's the antonym of death? You can write down life. Like this, students, try to complete this part. Okay, beta. Now, beta, complete part A to C in your books. Okay, students, complete part A to C in your books and write down a speech on the topic brave people in your English B notebook. Okay, students, that's all for today, beta. Thanks and have a nice day.